Yeah, throw me the keys.
What is that? Oh, it's a Ferrari.
It's an old Ferrari?
Yeah.
It's pretty dope.
What's the retail on one of those? Alright, hopefully those clips came out okay. Shout out to Bree for helping me film. She's been pushing me to start this. I usually do photography, but I thought I'd give it a try. I'm gonna link her channel down below. Give her a follow. Subi. Alright, so here's a closer look at the wheels. I got the Option Lab S718s. They're 19 by 9.5 with a 35 offset. Before I was running some ESR wheels. They were all white. You check them out on my Instagram. I should have recorded some clips of them, but I sold them on the spot. The tires I'm running on these are the Nexen N500 Plus. They're an all-season performance tire. I've been running them a couple of days now. So far, pretty smooth, pretty good grip. Alright, so that was my quick video on the new wheels. Hopefully it didn't come out too cringe. Help me out, comment down below, say what's up. If not, that's cool. Thank you for watching though, if you got this far. Yeah. Really? I thought everyone was supposed to be in quarantine, but I guess not. More? Can we get more?